Welcome to a Let's Spot. Subscribe.
Preparing the field for planting of rice, they use the four-wheel tractor, and you can see many white birds on the fields, and they are tagak. This can refer for several different species of birds, and we call it tagak in the Philippines, and in English it's heron. Many white birds in the field, they are tagak or heron. They use this four-wheel tractor for plowing the field and remember this, whoever sows sparingly will also reap sparingly, and whoever sows generously will also reap generously. 2 Corinthians 9:6. After the four-wheel tractor, they use this machine for making the soil fine.
We're in swinging.